Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Shazril Adli bin Yusof. Welcome to my presentation, to my panel and my fellow viewers. Today, I'm going to present about my Viva that is factor affecting customer satisfaction at Canyon Paintball Park facility and service quality. This is the outline for my presentation that consists introduction, literature review, methodology, research finding, and discussion. Let's move on to the first point, that is background of the study. Paintball was a recreational extreme sport that everyone can try and enjoy. Running a paintball facility for the customer to enjoy can be a difficult task as it requires a big management team and cost to maintain the facility. In this study, with the independent variable is facility and service quality, and dependent variable is customer satisfaction. Service quality, that means customer perception or how far service meet or exceed their customer expectation according to Arun Parasuraman, Zatmel and Berry 2015. Customer satisfaction is the most important key in opening any kind of business. Customer satisfaction is also described as an effective state in that is occur when the customer need have to be fulfilled. To survive, the company must continuously improve its ability to serve its customer and have the advantage of competing better than existing competitors. Therefore, it is important to find the dimension of the service quality which has a significant impact on the increasing of customer satisfaction, according to Teresa and Bergen 2017. Next is statement of the problem. The first problem that Canyon Paintball face is low number of existing customer, because there is some evidence in scientific literature that a few academics have researched the airsoft topics. However, the focus have been directly most towards possible injuries deriving from improper use of airsoft gun. The impact of Amazon on distribution in the airsoft market and technical aspect of airsoft gun functioning. That is why Canyon Paintball need to increase the service quality to gain more numbers of customer. Next, performance of the business also one of the major problem that Canyon Paintball facing. Canyon Paintballs need to maintain the performance in terms of service quality. According to Lucas, by attracting customer in product design process, company provide tailored situation that meets individual customer needs and prevent products failure. Moreover, customer involvement in a value co-creation process lead to an improvement in the value of a product and result in an increase in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Lastly is increasing number of competitors. Sport industry have been inevitably influenced by those tides of change, innovation and development, and has become a highly competitive sector. Sport organizations are forced to fierce competitions that threatens their survival. Their prospects of higher revenues, increase customer engagement, and their chance to recruiting new customer, according to Yaslur Lapa and 2018. As for research objective is to identify the service quality at Canyon Paintball Park and to investigate the relationship between customer satisfaction towards service quality provided at Canyon Paintball Park. Okay, next we go to the literature review. The first one is service quality. Service quality are identified as facility sufficiency, facility operation, service and information. Specifically, the facility and their ability, attractiveness, reliability and ease of use are important determinant of satisfaction. Next is SQL model. SQL is a multi-dimension research instrument designed to capture consumer expectation and perception of a service. According to A. Parasuraman, there are 5 domains, which is tangible, reliable, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. After that, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction can be defined as a measurement that determines mean how happy customer with a company service. Okay, we move on to the chapter 3, which is research methodology. This research using quantitative design, and it involves process of analyze and collecting data using questionnaire over Google form. Correlation descriptive research has been used to investigate the relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction toward Kenyon Paintball Park. Next is sampling. As for my population is customer Kenyon Paintball Park. Inclusion for my sampling is existing customer at Kenyon Paintball Park and exclusion people that doesn't come at Kenyon Paintball Park. Total population customer in Kenyon Paintball Park according to the owner of the park is 912. The researcher follow Kinrich and Morgan 1970 and use sample random sampling technique. As for the instrumentation, it consists of 3 parts, which is section A, B and C. Section A is a demographic profile, consists 6 items. Section B, circle questionnaire, consists of 22 items, and section C, customer satisfaction questionnaire, consists of 6 items. The con branch alpha for all sections shows it is reliable to use. Data collecting procedure will be an important part of any studies. After the subject has been identified and the site have been visit, the data collection process begin. Before collecting data, the researcher must go through 5 procedures to gain approval. First and foremost, obtain approval from UITM Researcher Ethics Committee. After that, permission from the respective supervisor is required to proceed with the research. The purpose of this step, which must be complete before moving on to the next procedure, is to ensure that the questionnaire that will be distributed are valid as a direct by the supervisor. As for data analysis for RO1, the researcher will use descriptive analysis because it is to identify the service quality at Kenyon Paintball Park. And for the RO2, which is to investigate the relationship between customer satisfaction to the service quality provided by Kenyon Paintball Park, and use correlation analysis, which is Pearson. Let's move on to the researcher findings. Demographic profile results shows that the most of the respondents that answer and play at Kenyon Paintball is male with the range of age 21 to 24 years old, and most of the race that play paintball at Kenyon Paintball is Malay and with the single material status, and of course not to forget, most of them were employed. The second finding is about researcher RO1, that is to identify the service quality at Kenyon Paintball Park. It shows the highest mean is tangible, followed by reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. For RO2, that is to investigate the relationship between customer satisfaction to service quality that provided at Kenyon Paintball Park, shows significant relationship between independent variables and dependent variables. Next is discussion. As for RO1, based on findings from the descriptive statistic, the highest on service quality provided by Kenyon Paintball Park is tangible, which in this case mean 4.53. This is also similar, consistent, and similar with previous study by Jen Sima, Thomas Ruda, 2019. It was stated in the finding from the study of service quality. And lastly, RO2, service quality and customer satisfaction towards Kenyon Paintball Park were significant with high correlation or strong relationship between independent variables and dependent variables. Based on previous researcher Anas Musaleh, Fauzilah Saleha, Ashraf, and Puspa Liza Ghazalia, 2018, service quality and customer satisfaction shows significant relationship. That is the end of my Viva presentation. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.